Hello students, hope you all are doing well. So let's open the shutter of our shop and let's continue our today lecture. Okay. So in our previous lecture, we had discussed the basics concept of your Python and why we should move forward with Python and why you should select the Python as a beginner in the field of your IT sector or a programming languages. Okay, so we had seen all these kind of stuffs. Okay, in our previous lecture. Okay, and today we will see that how you can simply install the Python onto your system or desktop. Okay, and also we will try to cover the basics concept and basic syntax of your Python. Okay, so let's get started. Let me share my desktop screen and then we will continue our today lecture. Okay, so hope my screen is visible to all of you. Okay, so our today topic is first of all how to install the Python onto your system. Okay, so first of all, just open the CMD. Okay, type CMD in your search bar of your window and press enter here. Okay, and then after first of all we will check that either our system is already installed the Python or not. Okay, so for checking those we will type Python here. Okay, Python here. Okay, and simply press the enter. Then if your CMD is showing this kind of messages like Python and then 3.11.5. Okay, see the 3.115 is the version of Python that I had already installed onto my system. Okay, but if your system is not showing this kind of same message. Okay, version can be different. Okay, then that means you had not installed the Python on your system till now. Okay, so for installing the Python, just simply come to the browser screen. Okay, and write here down Python download. Okay, and just simply press the enter. Okay, and click on the first link that it will show onto the browser. Okay, and then here you can see that download Python 3.12.3. This is the latest version of your Python that are currently running onto the market. Okay, so just you just have to simply click onto the download. Okay, then your download is being automatically started here. Okay, you can see the download is being started here. Okay, and after this successful downloads, you just have to install it onto your system simply. Okay, just make it here and install it. Okay, here I'm not gonna uh, install because I had already installed it onto my system. Okay, but you have to just simply come to the download and press the double click here. Okay, and then after just follow this custom. Okay, sorry, install now process and just simply install all those stuffs. Okay, and still if you are facing any kind of problem during the installation of your Python. Okay, then I will recommend you guys that is simply come to the YouTube. Okay, and just type how to install Python onto the system. Okay, and then uh, there are lot of the content that are already present on the YouTube, which will help you to install the system successfully onto your system. Okay, here we will not see that how you can install the system is everything stuffs, but I had told you the basics path that how you can go for it. Okay, so this is your task to install the Python onto your system, and then let's continue. Okay, and also hope you all guys having the VS Code ID onto the system, and if you don't have, then simply come to your browser screen and type VS Code download. Okay, VS Code download, and then just simply come to the first link come to the first link, and if you are using Windows, then click onto this link. If you are using any kind of Linux वगैरह, then go for this, and if you are a Mac user, then go for this link. Okay, and that is how you can download the Visual Studio onto your system. Okay, see, and after this successful installation of your Python onto the system, you can just simply search into the search bar, that is IDLE, okay, then it will come. This is the default IDLE of your Python. Okay, here you can run your every Python program directly. Okay, so, and if you wanted to check the version of your CMD that you had installed, then simply come to your CMD bar. Okay, okay, here make the exit. Okay, cut it, and let's open our CMD again. Okay, and simply type it here, Python dash dash version. Okay, and press enter, then it will shows that which version of Python you are currently using or you have installed onto your system. Okay, so now we had all set with our Python in environment. Okay, and now we are ready for launching our first Python program. Okay, so now let's discuss some basics concept and basic syntax of your Python, that how your Python is being executed into your system. Okay, so if I will show you onto the IDLE. Okay, this is the IDLE shell of your Python. Okay, you can run your every Python program here as well, and also you can run your every Python program onto the Visual Studio as well. But I will highly recommend you guys that go for the Visual Studio Code, because it is very much user friendly. Okay, it is very much user friendly, and your Visual Studio is having lots of the feature and property that will make helps you to writing any codes or program. Okay, so hope you had installed the Visual Studio as well on system. Okay, so I had already installed here, so I will directly move on to my this VS Code ID. Okay, so this is the interface our Visual Studio Code. Okay, so see, you have to create first of all you have to create the file of your Python. Okay, so how you can create the file? You just have to click onto this icon, that is new file, and you have to put it the name of your file name. Okay, so let's say here demo. Okay, demo, and then after every Python file is having extension that is .py. Okay, so we will put here .py and then press enter. Okay, so here our demo.py file is successfully created here. Okay, and now here we are ready for launching our Python program. So let's see the basic syntax of our Python code. Okay, so if I will show you that how you can run the basic program, that is hello world, into the Python. Okay, so you just have to type Python, sorry, print, and then after uh, inside this double quote you have to paste hello world. Okay, so this is how you can run the basic syntax. Okay, see, in other programming languages, if you have to print the hello world, like Java, you have to write the proper whole code, like first of all you have to create the class, and then you have to write the main function, and then by using your system.out.println you can pass the message that is hello world, and then your hello world is being printed. But in Python, if you have to print any kind of messages onto the screen, you just have to use print and then those messages. Okay, it will it will print all those stops onto your string. Okay, so this is the beauty of Python, that the syntax is become very easier as compared to other programming languages. Okay, and you don't have to use any kind of semicolon or any kind of structure. Okay, it will your Python compiler is very smart. It will judge that, yeah, your line is being ended here, and it will successfully compile your code. It will not throw any kind of error. Okay, so your Python is very much smart as compared to other programming languages. Okay, that is why I had told you in my previous lecture that if you are a beginner, that go for the Python programming, because it is containing a very simple syntax as compared to other programming languages. Okay, so here we had write the basic, and if I will run it, then you can also run from this button as well. But I had make a shortcut key for running, that is shift 9. Okay, you can also make the shortcut key by following the setting preferences. Okay, so if I will run my program, then I can see the hello world message is being printed onto my screen. Okay, so that is how we can execute the first program of our Python. Okay, here I had simply used the print, and then under the bracket I had passed the string, that is hello world. Okay, so that is, and also there is a concept of the comments. Okay, comments means if you are making any line comment, then it will not co- compiled by your compiler. Okay, means the comments are comments are generally followed for the making your code more readable. Okay, more readable means here what I'm trying to do, that I just trying to print a message. Okay, so if someone just come outside from, and they are trying to read my code, and they can't able to understand that why I just wanted to print this message. Why? Okay, so for the other people understanding purpose, I will write a comment message here, that is want to show hello world. Hello world. Now if someone just come from outside, then they can read this line. Okay, then they will simply clear that a person wanted to simply show a hello world message and nothing else. Okay, then they will understand that, yeah, this is the message is being printed only. Okay, there is nothing more to do here. Okay, and if you are going to compile your code, then this piece of line will not gonna execute, because I had make it as a comment by using the hashtag. Okay, so in your Python, the comment are followed by the hashtag. Okay, and those commented line will not gonna executed by your Python compiler. Okay, so this is the concept of your comment. And now if I will run my code, then the same output, that is hello world, it's being displayed here onto the screen. Okay, so this is the concept of your comments in Java, sorry, Python. Okay, and also there is a concept of indentation as well. In indentation means your Python following the indentation of your code. Indentation means, if I will show you that if I will write it. Okay, till now, not get confused by this piece of code, like uh, what here I had write. Okay, so see, I will just try to make you understand by the program concept, like what are the indentation into your Python means. See, here I had simply make a if condition here, and then inside this I had pass a simple message, that is print. Okay, now if I execute my code, okay, then it will simply print this true messages. Okay, but what if I will make it like here, then it will throw an error, means expected indent block, means our Python is following the concept of your indent. Means if you are trying to execute any code, you have to follow the proper indentation concept onto the Python, otherwise it will throw an error. Okay, so this is the concept of your indentation in Python. So hope you guys has enjoyed this video. Okay, so in our next lecture, we will see the concept of your variable in Python. Okay, and also we will try to cover the concept of your data type as well. Okay, so till then, keep learning, keep growing. Have a nice day. Bye bye.